Hey you guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm just gonna be cleaning out the 240. I'm gonna be doing little changes, and by little I literally mean one thing, as to the interior for now. I have not cleaned it out since I got it. I took out a couple things that were in here. There's like a lot of stuff thrown back there. I just want to do a deep interior clean on this. This video is just kind of like a collection of a bunch of different days, just like little updates. I haven't made a big jump on the 240 lately, so there's just been like little things, but I'm going to be showing you guys all that first, what I have done or whatever. Before I do the interior clean, I just wanted to hop on and do a little intro. So I did get a new mirror, and I got a new dash mat because the one I have is kind of not the greatest. So this is the one that I have right now. It's like whatever, it's very flimsy and there's just a lot of these little thingies. So I did get a new one, so I'm gonna be unboxing it. I'm gonna be cleaning all of the interior. It's super dusty in here, and there's just like random things from the previous owner and stuff in the back seat. There's a lot in the trunk. I'm also gonna be removing the sticker, and I got a little clip-on mirror. I do plan to start driving it very soon. I am gonna go get a smog check. I need new tires actually, and then get it registered. And after I do that, I do want to take the car to go get a quote on the front end damage and see what's gonna be needed or how much it's gonna cost. And if not, and if I don't want to go that route, I am gonna be doing a tube front end. I'm excited to finally get this going. It's been on standby for a while for many different reasons, but I'm finally back and want to get this going. I just have to do like the little things for now until I'm able to go and do the bigger things, I guess. So there's like a party going on in my neighborhood. I did order this dash mat from Covercraft. It was like the only mat for 240s that looked decent, so hope it's good. Oh my god, it's a mat. Well, it's already a much better looking than the one I have. I thought it was gonna be thicker, honestly. Allow mat to lie flat overnight for a minimum of 12 hours. What? So it comes with little fasteners, but I don't know where they're at. Maybe it's like, oh, I think it's these things. It's this, it's like tape, I guess. So it comes with these little 3 Velcro strips, and yeah, but I guess I have to let it flatten. I really thought it was gonna be thicker, but it kind of feels like the same as the one I have, except, let me take out, like all the stitching is just kind of exposed, and I don't really like this, and it's faded, I guess. This dash is very, very cracked. I don't know if I showed it when I got my car. Typical 240s have their dashes cracked, but this one's like bad. I eventually want to see if I can replace it, which I know is going to be really hard to find. I believe they sell like plastic covers that literally looks like the dash, and you just put it on top, but I wonder how that looks. So for the entire interior, I'm going to be using the Rev Auto's Revive interior cleaner. So I'm going to be undusting it and then spraying it with this. And yeah, because it's very dusty in here. Everything is dusty. But if you guys didn't know, I do have an affiliate link with Rev Auto to save you guys 15% off. I'll put my code up on the screen. It's just Alex15. And I'll also be leaving the link down below where you guys could just click it and they'll automatically apply it to your order. So definitely check them out. I really like their products. I made a whole video using their products for the first time and I really liked it. I cleaned my FRS with it. And I really liked it. The Velcro strips are not it. The old mat looks. It just has this all ripped up, and so yeah. What is this? I just want to see all the stuff I find here. I think this is a dollar coin. A dollar coin and it's gum wrapper. So this is how the dash looks. It's very, very cracked. I just give it a wipe down so it's still a little wet. That fits weird. Too long. What is the point in this hole? Is something supposed to be here? Okay, so I'm not really sure why this hole is empty. Maybe I ordered the wrong one, but I checked right now and it is for my car, so I don't really know what's going on. I think they might have sent me the wrong one. Oh, this is kind of a fail, but it still looks really nice, so I do want to reorder it, but I'm probably gonna return this or just order another one. I don't know. It's actually days later. I got really annoyed about the dash mat, so I ended up returning it and have to buy another one. So I haven't bought it, but it's probably gonna take a couple days, so I'm probably not gonna get to show you guys. It's been a couple days, but I'm gonna finish cleaning the inside. I don't have nails anymore, so. And I got a new tattoo. I really put this off for a while, that I did all these things, I feel like, and showing you guys what I find in here, because I haven't really looked all that much. I mean, I looked when I got it and I took some things out, but other than that, everything's been in here since I got it, which has been a couple months, so we'll disconnect that for now. In here they have an air freshener, the trash in there, clip thingies. I'm gonna probably keep those. Not sure what this is, but gum wrapper, a screw, probably won't need that. A clip. These, they look like it's for the, like the, what do you call that thing? All cleaned out. This is all very dirty. I don't know if this is gonna come off. It looks like it's just peeled plastic and stuff. Ew. I'm gonna leave this in here for good luck. There's a little lug nut key and there's a lot of screws. I feel like this is for something. Gum wrapper. There's so many gum wrappers in here. I don't know where to put these. I'm so annoying. I literally put them in there so that I wouldn't lose them, and what did I do? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I did it again. Why am I like this? I'm just gonna throw this away. I'm gonna keep this. And there it is. There's an Allen key, a fuse, and the registration, BCs, and then there's an aux cord, a 13-inch socket. Get into the back. Here's a little connector, some chopped wires. Got some wire connectors, tubes. This might go in the back somewhere. Thanks for the screwdriver. Pretty dirty back here, but with the vacuum it should be fine. I have a headlight back here, a bunch of zip ties, and that should pretty much be it. carpet's all dismantled. Oh god, the fuel pump never got closed. Should probably take these out. What the hell is this? Oh. I think all these little parts just like go into the headlight. I'm getting rid of the hard tail light, sadly, but there's just like a wiring mess back there, so I'll have to figure that out. This is such a random day cut in, but I forgot to put my mirror on and I'm driving tomorrow, so I remembered that I want this on. If you guys do not have a convex mirror in your car, please go get one. They are literally so convenient. It is a little weird to get used to at first. When I put it on my FRS, it was weird. It looked like it was like a fisheye lens or a wide angle. Well, it is wide angle. So I'm just gonna be putting this on. It literally just clips onto your mirror, so there is nothing required. This is the easiest mod you can put on your car. Is this even considered a mod? I'm gonna consider a mod because it is helpful. More helpful than some other mods that are out there that are considered mods. So if you don't consider this a mod, then that is your problem. Oh, there we go. That was literally instant karma. You get this on Amazon. They have a bunch of different brands, and I know they have like the Broadway one and stuff like that, so you get that, but this works just as fine. I think it's the same one that I have in my car. Gotta put it on. So easy. You just get your little handy dandy baby mirror. Imagine it just broke off. There's clips back here. These just extend wide. So you clip it. And you just pull it out. Boom. Now you can see everything. Look at this. You could see everything. If I want to look back there. So now you could see it. Easy. Easy. You see what I mean? Go get yourself one. It's like $12, I think. And everyone needs it in their life. I'm just saying. I'm just saying.